The Echaprey Mini Refrigerator Stand is a true marvel of modern organization. A small titan built to conquer the chaos of cramped quarters. It's not merely a stand, but rather a mobile command center for your culinary comforts, effortlessly transforming any space, be it a dorm, a pantry, or a cozy living room, into a highly efficient hub. This clever cart glides on its wheels like a silent sentinel, bringing the promise of chilled drinks and fresh snacks directly to you. And it does so with an understated elegance. Furthermore, its integrated storage drawer and basket are like hidden treasure chests, designed to swallow up stray utensils, snacks, and other small appliances, thus liberating your countertops and floors from clutter's grasp. The entire structure is a testament to thoughtful engineering. It's a piece of furniture that works tirelessly so that you don't have to. And consequently, it allows you to reclaim your valuable space and sanity. Indeed, the Echaprey Mini Refrigerator Stand is a chameleon of utility, adapting with grace and purpose to whatever environment it finds itself in. The rolling cart is more than just a mobile platform. It is a declaration of convenience, offering a seamless and versatile solution for your small appliance needs. Likewise, its sturdy construction and sleek design make it a visually appealing and durable addition to any room, and its wheels are a whisper of freedom, enabling you to rearrange your space on a whim. The stand's dual-level design, featuring a robust top for your mini fridge and a lower tier with a drawer and basket, creates a vertical landscape of storage, ensuring that every inch is used to its fullest potential. Ultimately, this stand is a testament to the idea that even the smallest spaces can be made to feel expansive and orderly, and therefore, it is an indispensable tool for anyone seeking to maximize their living area. In conclusion, the Echaprey Mini Refrigerator Stand is an organizational hero, a silent guardian of tidiness that stands ready to serve. This is not just a piece of furniture. It is a strategic asset for your home or office, offering both mobility and unparalleled storage. Its thoughtful design, which includes the basket and drawer, provides a welcome refuge for all your miscellaneous items. And so it helps to create a clean and tranquil environment. By consolidating your mini fridge and its accoutrements onto one compact, mobile unit, this stand effectively bundles convenience and order into a single, elegant package. Therefore, whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who appreciates a well-organized space, the Echaprey Mini Refrigerator Stand is an investment in both your comfort and your peace of mind. Pros: easy to assemble. Refrigerator fits perfectly, includes a roller drawer, basket holds 40 cans, bottles, perfect fit under counter, includes storage basket, clear assembly directions. Wheels have locks, cute and sturdy, looks great, holds heavy items, very versatile, good value. For the price: cons: slightly wobbly, missing small screws, not easy to put together, below average quality, rough finish, screws don't get tight, not very sturdy, still rolls a bit, below average quality wood. Features: storage basket, mobile with wheels, rolling cart design, for small refrigerators, fits office. Pantry, good for dorm rooms, living room use, kitchen appliance storage, Echaprey brand. SpaceCare brand. The Echaprey Mini Fridge Stand is a mobile rolling cart with a storage drawer and basket, designed to hold a small refrigerator. It is suitable for use in various settings like an office pantry, dorm room, living room, or kitchen, providing convenient appliance storage with the added benefit of being easily movable due to its wheels. The Echaprey Mini Fridge Stand is a versatile rolling cart designed to hold a small refrigerator and provide extra storage. Its features include a roller drawer and a spacious basket that can hold up to 40 cans or bottles. Reviewers highlight its sturdiness, ability to hold heavy items, and excellent value. The stand is also praised for its cute appearance, versatile use in various rooms, and clear assembly directions. However, some users noted issues with the assembly process, including missing or loose screws and a wobbly or unstable frame. Other complaints mentioned the wood's rough finish and below average quality.